hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the Uncle Bear Show. And today we'll have an unleashing of Kit. And I think I know this, and I'm excited for this one because this will complete a collection. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's have this one right here. Yeah, freshly received parcel. Yep, this is from Shopee, and I get it from the official store. But yeah, before we're talking about it, let's unleash this with my a little bit rusty hobby knife. Let's go and let's unleash. Let's go. Okay, so we have here right now. Wow, man, it's nice. Very nice. I don't know if this will be competitive in the competition scene or in the tournaments, but as nostalgia, this will really serve you the best nostalgic feeling of all. If especially if you are in the 90s, a 90s kid, yeah, we are we're in that era which plastic gen Beyblades. Yeah, we're talking about Beyblades for today. Plastic gen Beyblades really is a thing for us. Yeah, even it's just plastic, but for us it's like really animated for us that we can see the Beyblade clashing each other. We even imagine having a Beat Beast. Okay, but let's go without further. Let's have this, and we have your. Woo! This is your the first ever Bakutin Shoot. Yeah, Beyblade Dragon Storm. Oh, that's great, man. It's very great. This is your Beyblade Dragon Storm, and this is in the form of Beyblade X, and yeah, that's Takao. See Takao? Takao in Japan and Tyson in the Western or in English. Yeah, but here in the Philippines, this was dubbed in Filipino, and they retain the name of Takao or Takao. They doesn't use the Western name, which is Tyson. But yeah, still love it, and we really like it, and it completes my collection. Yeah, I have already the version of the Drancer. We have also the Drasil, which I really like, and then the Drigger, and then this one. This will complete the Bakutin Shoot. So yeah, let's have a battle with this next time. So I will have some different videos for this, which I'll have the unboxing, the unboxing, and then the spin test, and then a test battle with some other Beyblades. Same as usual, we'll have from the BX, the UX, and then the CX line. This one is from the BX line. Yeah, this is from BX line, but still it's called BX00 because this is just a remake. Yeah. Okay, and let's go to its parts. So the parts here, see, the blade is that it's square, and it's a left turn, right? Yeah, it's a left turning Beyblade. So we need a left turning launcher. So I have a string launcher right here, which is a left spin, and then its beat is 460. Yeah, short. And its beat is a rubber axle. I'm not so fan with the axle, especially the rubber. But yeah, let's see what will happen here. So we need a left spinning launcher and ripcord. Yeah, or I already have a string launcher, so it's good. Okay, it will complete the set. Okay, so now I have the 4 legendary Beyblades, or from the first ever generation, the Plastic Gen, which is the Bakutin Shoot. And yeah, let's try this, and let's have this next time. An unboxing, a spin test, and a test battles. Okay, so I keep on looking because I think I have the Beyblades here, but yeah, I think it's on my box at the back. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press that notification button for our next videos. Okay, so yeah, I forgot my spell. Okay, so that's it, and I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, we complete it, and I will have a separate video competing with the 4 Beyblades on the back on the plastic gen, which is this one, Dragoon Storm, the Drasil, the Trigger, and also your Transfer. So let's see who is the strongest of the 4. It will be a different videos. Dragoon competing all of the 3. Then Drasil with the 3 also. Trigger with the 3 also. And then Transfer with the 3 also. Yeah. Let's go. I'm excited for this one. So that's it. Thank you so much, guys. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing up, and Gabber Show signing off. So we'll have Beyblade here, and we'll have it next time. Okay, that's it. Thank you, and peace out. Bye.